In this video, I'll show you how to use the Circle K fuel discount card, right? So all you need to do is first activate your card if required, right? Before using it, you may need to activate it online. So go to the official Circle K website at circlek.com and find the fuel discount card activation page, okay? Enter the required details such as your, card number and email, and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the activation. Look, not all cards require activation, but if yours does, make sure it's set up before heading to the pump, right? And then all you need to do is go ahead and find a participating Circle K station. Your fuel discount card works at participating Circle K stations, gas stations, and you can check the store locator on the Circle K website. They have a store locator. Just come here and select your region. Click on store locator as well. Can come here and you can check this out. It will show you which locations accept the discount. And you want to also go ahead and look for the Circle K logo at the pump to ensure that it's actually a valid station. And then you just go ahead and swipe or insert the Circle K fuel discount card before selecting your fuel. Some locations may actually require you to scan the card at the payment terminal inside the store, and the discount should automatically apply, basically reducing the price per gallon or liter. Okay, go ahead and do that, and then you just pay for the fuel, right? After the discount is applied, complete your transaction using a credit card, debit card, or cash. Some locations may also allow you to link the discount card directly to a payment method for automatic savings. And after this, the pump or receipt should show how much you saved per gallon. And some programs offer extra rewards, so check your account online for additional perks or bonus discounts. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.